Okay, well, so welcome to part 2 of Hills and Dales. Okay, adding and subtracting negative numbers. Just doing a few more practice questions here just to help you get your head around the strategy. Okay, so we're going to have the first question. Okay, we've got positive 6 minus negative 4. Okay, so when we come into here, we want to take away negative 4. There are actually no negatives. Okay, so the top is our positive, and the bottom part of our little diagram here is our negative. So there's no negatives in this part here. So I'm going to have to make some negatives. And by doing that, I need to balance both sides of my hill here, my hill and my dale. Okay, by doing that, okay, I've got one hill and one dale, so that balances both of them out. If I both take them, add them together, they both flatten them out. So if you imagine a valley, okay, and you bring a hill in, you'll fill it up, won't you? Okay, that's why I'm talking about balancing them out. Okay, so here I've created, I need to create one more, so there we go, I've got 4 now valleys, okay, and 4 hills. So I'm taking away my 4 valleys. Okay, when I take my 4 valleys away, I'm left with 4 extra hills here. So I've actually added on positive 4 onto here, okay, and that gives me my answer of actually positive 10. So what turned out to be a negative question, a subtraction question, actually turned into a bigger answer in the end, because we did do our subtraction of taking away the numbers that we needed by having to create them, but we were left with a positive answer that got bigger. Okay, next one here, positive 8 taking away negative 2. So same again, there's no values to take away. Okay, so I'm going to make those, take those away, and what am I left with? I've just basically added 2 on. Okay, so that answer goes to 10 as well. Okay, a little bit different now. Okay, I've got 7 valleys, and I'm going to take away 4 of those valleys. Okay, so there I actually have valleys to take away. Okay, so I'm going to take away 4 of those valleys, and that's where I'm left with the answer of negative 3. Okay, so I've still got 3 valleys there. Okay, so in that case, that's when the actual subtraction works, where these ones here, we actually end up adding onto them. Okay, even though it's a negative number, it almost turns into a positive. Okay, right, so now we're doing some adding. Okay, so 7 plus negative 3. Okay, so I'm going to add on my valleys down to the bottom. So I'm giving them the valleys. I don't need to take any valleys away. So I've given them the valleys, which means that I actually fill the ground up. It means that I take those away. So I balance those valleys, those hills out. Okay, which means that I'm actually left with 4. Okay, next one again. So this one here, gone negative 4 plus negative 8. Okay, so I'm just giving them basically 8 more valleys. Okay, so my answer is going to come out as negative 12. Okay, so that one is quite nice and straightforward. Okay, right, next question. Okay, I've got negative 5 plus 6. Okay, so I'm giving them plus 6. I'm giving them 6 positives. Okay, so here I am giving them positive 6. Oh, one too many. Okay, what I've actually done is I've actually filled up all of those holes. Okay, and so my answer is actually just going to be positive 1. Okay, because I filled up those holes there. Okay, so that should help you a bit more in understanding your hills and dales, okay, when you come to adding and subtracting negative numbers. Okay, so draw a diagram. That will always help you out, makes things a lot more clearer of what you're trying to do, and make sure you get those negatives and those positive little indications around the right way. Cool, enjoy.